My name is Haley. I am a paint prep technician at Downeast Auto Body, and I'm just now graduating my second year from Eastern Maine Community College welding program. I figured I would like to take a different route than typical just high school, so when I was a sophomore I decided to go to UTC for auto collision. I got into that because my father has an older muscle car that he's been restoring, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I got into the welding because I figured, so when I started at UTC, I didn't know if I wanted to do welding or auto collision, and I was like, well, you know, there's a college for welding closer. So I took the auto body program then, and then I was like, oh, if I want to take welding afterwards, I can. So that's what I did. And I was trying to get into that so I could do like frame up restorations on vehicles, because everything I buy has no frame. Honestly, I just like the new experiences. It was a lot different coming here. It's a lot more fast-paced, and like there's a lot more to do here than just at UTC. Downeast has made it very easy for me to continue going to school with the very flexible schedule that's been allowed, which I really appreciate, because right now I'm only working, I don't know, 20 hours or so a week. And I know a lot of places wouldn't necessarily do that, so I thought that was really neat. I would definitely say Downeast does have a big part in it, and I'd say Mr. Dyer and my parents as well. They've been pretty cool about it. You know, they were like, as long as you're happy doing what you're doing, they don't really care. My dad, I think, was like, yeah, finally someone that can fix my car, you know, because he's not a body guy by any means. And my mom was like, okay, that was a left-hand turn, but yeah, go for it. Realistically, I'd say anyone that has any kind of idea or background behind it, because there weren't a ton of people in my class when I went, and that was a couple years ago. Well, I'm really excited to start working full-time. It's been kind of a pain going, you know, every which way, being here half a week, being at school the other half of the week, you know, doing a bunch of stuff at home after school and after work. So I'm excited to, you know, kind of get that one last thing off my plate so I can start focusing here.